Strengthen your immune system in under 5 minutes with this practice that taps into one of the pillars of the immune system, the spine. This is called the iron bridge. I'm going to face sideways so that you can see me. Now, I will encourage you with this practice to listen to your body and go at your own pace, minding your range of motion. We'll first begin with just a little gentle movement in the spine, taking palms on your lower back. We're just going to press forward and back. Start off with a small range of motion. Press forward, tucking the chin, and back. You can increase your range of motion if you feel comfortable. There's no need to go to the extreme. As you practice, you can increase your range of motion with time. There is no rush. Okay, I'm going to take this into the iron bridge now, starting first this time with the hands on the back. Press forward and hold. We'll add an element of the breath. Tuck the chin. Inhale and exhale out of the mouth 3 times. Inhale. One more. You might start to shake a little bit. Also opens up the heart space, releasing negative emotions. And then slowly rise back up. Bow forward, release the hands. We're going to wash your reflection in the healing pool of energy. Allow the hands just to wash back and forth, a little bit of bouncing in your spine. Yes. And then allow the arms to reach up, pulling down the heavens one time. Inhale. And exhale. Whew. Let's do that again. Bring the hands on the back. This time, hands can be on the back, or you can take the OK symbol and away from the back. I'll show that this time. Inhale, and then lean back, tuck the chin, gaze upwards. Inhale, we're going to exhale 3 times in this position. Squeeze the buttocks to strengthen the spine. Inhale. This is also called dry crying. If you're not a crier like me, this will shake you up for sure. Inhale. Oh yeah. Slowly rise up, take your time. You might get a little lightheaded. Bow forward. Ooh. Wash your reflection. Clear your energy field. When we clear our energy field, the attraction, we repel the toxic environmental, emotional, mental energies. We'll float up. Inhale. Oh. Exhale. Pull down. If you're game for one more, let's give it a go. Less than 5 minutes. We got this. Strong spine. Place your hands where you feel comfortable. Inhale. Lean back. Lift the chest. Tuck the chin. 3 exhales. Two more. In. Inhale. Oh yeah. Woo. Bow forward. These simple Qi practices are profound in their potential. So are you. Yes, yes, you are. Inhale. Draw it down, draw it down. Wow. I'll be sure to link to some longer practices that I have below. May you enjoy the vibrancy of your Qi. Be well.